That's somebody stuck. Somebody got stuck right there. We go to the lake, y'all. Y'all see it?
Let's go down the lake.
Y'all see it? Y'all see it? My God. Oh my God. Y'all see it? Oh my God. They left the, y'all there's a whole lake over here. Just look at it. There's a tree. Just look at it, y'all. There's so many flies in Savannah. Hey. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all see it? We're going lake hunting today. It's so much rain out here, y'all. Y'all gotta be careful out here too. Come on.
Get that current right there.
See it. Hey, we better go down there.
Let's go.
Down there. You see? We better go down there, y'all.